Hello students, welcome back to English Learning. I am Ansuya Sharma, your English teacher. So students, today we are going to learn modals. So now, what are modals? Modals are one of the part of the verbs. Modals are verbs used to express the mood or attitude of a speaker. When we use modals, we come to know how is the mood of the or the attitude of the speaker. They are helping verbs that are used to expressions for ability, possibility, permission or obligation. There are different types of. So first we come to know about can. So what purpose can is used? Can is used for asking permission to do something in present or for the ability to do something in present or for a request, suggestion, possibility or offer. For example, students, you can see here, I can speak German, ability to do something. Okay. Can I go to washroom? Permission to do something. Now let us. Can we wait a moment, please? For a request, offer and suggestion. These are the things for which can is used. Then could. It is used for ability to do something in past or asking permission to do something in past or for a polite request, question, offer, suggestion or a possibility. So, examples we can see. Could I speak German? Ability to do something in past. Okay. So next, may. May is used for expressing possibility, permission to do something or for a polite way. Okay. It's used for expressing possibilities. Okay. May I go to the washroom? Permission. May I help you? Suggestion. John may be coming to see us tomorrow. Possibility. Okay. Then fourth is might. It is used to express possibility less than certain, may or when we are not sure of the hesitant offer or request. For example, Rita might see you tomorrow. It's a possibility. So students, same way, must not, may not is given. Must is used for expressing necessity, possibility or recommendation, whereas must not, may not is used to refer the prohibition. Okay, prohibition. For example, I must go there. Okay, I must not work on her laptop. Prohibition it is. Need to, shall, should, ought to, will, would. So these are the modal, student. So same way, need to is used to express something that is necessary. Okay. Shall, should is used. Shall is used to suggest some, whereas should is used to advise or for showing obligation. Should is used instead of will in the first person. Okay. So like for example is given, shall I carry some books? It's a suggestion. You should drive carefully in foggy weather. It's an advice. Okay. You should play outside rather than playing digital games. Okay. Obligation it is. Ought to. Ought to is used to advise or for showing obligation. It is similar to should, but sound little less subjective. Okay. For example, you ought to drive carefully in the foggy weather. Advise it is. Will, would is used. As you know, will is used for expressing a wish, request, prescription, assumption, promise. Okay, students. For example, will you please switch off the lights? It's a request. I think you will join. Come on Friday. Assumption it is. I will do it. It's a promise. Okay, like this. Now students will do one exercise. This one on the notebook we are going to do it. So let us see the first one, how we can do it. So dash I borrow your book. So what is this? So here which model will come? Can you please tell me? As I have told you that can is used for asking permissions, request, suggestion. Okay. So I think no. Here we will take the model that is can. Can I borrow your book? So when it's given a question mark, permission is taken, we use can. Okay. So first one is done. Let's come to the second one. I can dash I talk to you, sir. So it's an indirect speech here. See, when it's given in double inverted commas and a question is asked, we always use this is an indirect question. Okay, indirect speech it is. So what will come here? So first we need to read it properly. I said dash I talk to you, sir. So it's a request. Okay, may and may not too, must not, may not. Okay, expressing. So the expression of possibility is asked here. So I said may I talk to you, sir. Okay students, so may is used here. May. Okay, so next, we dash leave the station after that only. We shall leave the station after that only. So shall is used for suggestion, whereas should is used for advice. So here suggestion is asked. So we shall leave the station. Okay. So students, we should know where we have to use our models in a proper way. And even when we read the sentence, it should be, see, if the sentence is in a present tense, then the model is also to be used as according to that. Okay. So let's come to the fourth one. There dash be a well in front of my garage. So what will be the answer? There dash be a well. Dash be a well means used to. Okay, there was a well. Used to be a well in front of my garage. Okay. He does not dash to deny out. What will be the answer? He does not dash to deny out. Need. He does not need to deny out. Okay. So next, she dash not eat so much. She will fall ill. Means there is, she will fall ill. There is a possibility. For possibility we use must. She must not eat so much. Okay. I thought that he dash be easily taken in. What will be the answer? I thought that he might be taken in. Again, possibility. Okay. Might be easily taken in. If you have a ticket, you can go inside. When we read, then only we come to know. If we have good reading habits, directly we can come to know what will be the model used here, students. Okay. See, after reading only I came to know what will be the answer. If you have a ticket, you can go inside. Okay. Can is the answer. Again, it's a asking permission, possibility, suggestion, request. Okay. So 9th one. She dash have felt pretty on the beggar. She, again, it's a possibility here. She might have felt pretty on the beggar. So now the last one. I dash give you my book until tomorrow. Okay. So students, it will be I could give you my book until tomorrow. It's a polite offer. Okay. So you know, students, could is used for ability to do something in past or asking permission to do something in past or a polite request. Okay. So we use I could give you my book until tomorrow. So could is used. Okay, students, this is a very simple way to do all our models. So just remember about the tense, in which tense the sentence is going on. That's all, students. Thank you.